I'm Dr. Julie Schell from Bull Bottom Veterinary Hospital, and this is our beautiful Jinx. He's a purebred Maine Coon cat. He's huge. He's like 8 kilograms, but that's normal for him. He's probably the biggest feline patient I've seen in my life. Like, his head alone is like bigger than like the palm of your hand. It's gorgeous. And so what we've noticed though is that Jinx definitely has ear debris, and it's brown goo, and that's normal. There's no infection in it. There's no like bacteria or yeast or any eardrum puncture or anything like a serious infection. It's just like a bunch of waxy buildup. And so I like to train people how to clean the ears. And so what I do is I like to use these Avena Sativa wipes. These are excellent, and they're very gentle and safe, and they're kind of like a material, so they're not really a Kleenex. They're safer than a Kleenex. And what I do, they're so nice and big, and I don't really want so much material, so I actually rip them in half and use one for the left ear and one for the right ear. And then I like to use the Avena product that is more of a liquid to make it a little bit more liquidy. And I put some on here like this, and then I basically have it nice and juicy. It's kind of like a thicker liquid. It's more thick than water. And then I gently kind of massage his ear so he's used to me touching him, because I want to have this at room temperature or even body temperature, so it's nice to keep it a little bit warmer so he doesn't feel the cold. And you just kind of first of all massage him, and then you pretend you're like the mother's tongue. So when he was a baby, his mother cat cleaned him, and so it's good to kind of like be that gentle. Like, you've probably seen a mother cat cleaning her baby, and so it's kind of like that. Look at all the brown goo that's coming out, and it's kind of nice because it's not a gush of liquid that comes in, it's a very small amount of liquid. And then let them shake, and then you can just kind of reorient on the wipe to clean a new spot on the wipe to get rid of more goo. And I would only do that like once a day for about 5 days. You don't have to do much. The left ear is also dirty, and so I do the same thing. I just put on a little bit of that moisture of the additive of the liquid to make it even more wet, and then just kind of gently rub his ear so he's used to it. And then I put the special wipe in the ear and give it a good massage, just like a mother would clean her baby kitten. And it really is nice to get all the ridges inside the ear. I never use Q-tips. I never make my clients use Q-tips because that can push the debris and fur in deeper. And then he might shake his head a little bit, and then you can kind of continue the wiping process. Sometimes they're so dirty, you might need to use 2. So the first time you get to do this at home, you might have to use 2 wipes. And so it's kind of good to that until you get like less debris coming out. And he actually likes being massaged in his ear. He's really tame and social. So he's a very gentle soul, and he likes that. And you can kind of get debris out of there. And then you do it again to the right ear. Good boy. And you just let him have his time and tell you when he's done. I don't want to do it too much or too long, because then he gets annoyed. And he was very good, so you give him some nice positive reinforcement. Yeah, so I hope that makes sense, but definitely if you have questions, let me know. And if you ever see that your pet's ears are looking dirty or painful or inflamed or itchy, just bring them right on into your veterinarian. Thank you so much. Check us out online at www.bowbottomvet.com. Thank you very much. Good boys.